What is going on, my favorite skiers and snowboarders? I'm on a gondola once again and I'm headed up Blackcomb. There was some precipitation pummeling the pavement as I drove up, and there was 7 centimeters of fresh snow. I got no clue what that's gonna look like down low. Not looking good down low, or how that's gonna look up in the Alpine. We're gonna play around today. We're gonna see if there's still some pockets of powder to play in. Things are starting to look a little more naked, a little more spring-like, that's for sure. The rain is falling. Rain keeps on falling on my head, keeps on falling. The run of the day, Garf stance floor, very good. I just got to the top of the Jersey Cream Express, and whoop-de-doo, what a surprise. Savage and Crystal are closed for the entire day. Apparently it's due to avalanche hazard. Interesting. Anyways, I'm up here and I love shredding, and you're not always gonna get the perfect POW day, so I'm just gonna enjoy this soft stuff and shred around on some spring slush because it's pretty much raining on the whole rest of the mountain. So we're gonna have some fun. Let's do it. Oh, that's heavy. Yeah, that is heavy. Holy, that is glue! I actually can't even put any weight on the glue. That's not good. So when it's wet and it rains on snow, the snow gets extremely gluey. So if I try and lean forward right now, I'm gonna go straight out of my boot. Not even eject from my skis. Oh, Jesus. Oh, holy crap. Couldn't get much stickier unless you threw maple syrup on it, eh? Exactly. Oh my God. Let the rain fall down, woo, and break my dreams. Let it wash away my sand. Oh, the glue. It's a battle to try and not fall on my face. Look at that. Yay! If skiing was like this all the time, I don't know if we'd be doing it so much. Woo! It's like a roller coaster ride. Don't have to do a thing. Let's see if I can get down Stoker bumps the entire way without turning, not a single time. I'm on a black diamond right now, and I'm not going to turn. Not even make an effort to turn. Okay, time to turn. Yep, couple obstacles. I feel like I'm a beginner. Oh my God. Whoa! So I did one run and I'm completely soaked. The snow coverage is still good, but this may be the turning point. Let me know in the comments if you think the POW is finally done. I don't know if I really want to go back out there. Just kidding, let's do it. Oh wow. Hey, listen up, I've tried to tell you this 100 times. Not getting better, but they're beginning to cry. You on repeat, you can see shit cause you have closed your eyes. You say you listen, but you're missing what it's all about. Rise up now. If you never fall, you don't change at all. Try out now. Have you given up? I'll never stop, yeah. I try to help you, but you keep reading between the lines. There's nothing there for you to complicate, we're not aligned. You say you listen, but guessing that's just another sign of growing up. You're growing old, your life keep passing by. Rise up now. If you never fall, you don't change at all. Cry out now. Have you given up? I will never stop, yeah. Today is all about S&M. Side hits and moguls. Yeah. Stay out of the sleet and enjoy a spectacular sip of sauce, I've plopped myself into the trees to drink some habanero red. Cheers. Ah.
That's the worst habit. It was the most disgusting. Oh, I'm like shivering right down my spine. Whew. Okay. More S&M, more side hits and moguls. Let's go. Woo! Heartburn right now. I'm at the top of Jersey, as high as I can go. I'm gonna give you the first person experience of what skiing in the rain feels like, because I don't want you to ever have to experience it yourself. The quickest day of the year for me, but way she goes, I'm soaked through. Woo! I'm back in the truck that was devastatingly damp. You can tell I'm soaked right through my jacket, but the real test, the glove test. Yeah, oh yeah. That's how you know it rained a lot. Look at all that water. Just moisture from the gloves. The glove test. That's how you know you're skiing in the rain. Ugh. Ugh. The powder's been so good the last 2 weeks, it was worth the risk to come up here and give it a go. Sometimes you're not gonna hit the nail on the head and get the perfect day, but hey, any day skiing is a better day than sitting at it. Barely could see and I was soaking wet, but I still enjoyed myself and ripped up some moguls and side hits in the trees. It was a good one. Hopefully the sun's out the next time at the mountain. Watch that forecast, look for sunshine now, because I'm not sure if we're gonna get another powder day. But you know, I'm a horrible powder predictor. Anyways, get up to the hill, be safe, enjoy yourselves, have fun, and as always, keep on shredding.